The Battle of Tory Island was a naval action fought on 12 October 1798 off the north coast of Ireland. The battle contested an attempted French invasion of Donegal in support of the Irish Rebellion of 1798, with a French squadron under Jean-Baptiste François Bompard facing a hastily assembled Royal Navy blockade squadron under Sir John Borlase Warren. Bompard's force had been dispatched from Brest the month before with orders to reinforce a French army under Jean Humbert which had landed 2 months earlier. Unbeknown to Bompard's force, Humbert's army and the rebellion as a whole had been defeated by the British Army a week before Bompard departed France. Bompard's Squadron 2 was woefully understrength, consisting of only a single ship of the line and 8 frigates carrying 3,000 men. This small force faced a large proportion of the British Channel Fleet, which was prepared for a second invasion attempt after Humbert's army had landed unopposed in August. As a result, Bompard's force was spotted just a few hours after he left Brest, and he was then chased into the Atlantic Ocean by several British frigates which followed him for a week until he was able to lose them in heavy weather. This weather persisted throughout the campaign, causing significant damage to both sides in a series of storms. The delay caused by the pursuit of Bompard by the frigates under George Countess allowed the British to dispatch a more substantial squadron under Warren to the Donegal coast. Thus, when Bompard arrived in the lee of Tory Island, he soon found himself threatened on all sides by a superior British force. Despite the damage his ships had suffered in the heavy weather conditions, Bompard attempted to escape but was swiftly run down and defeated in battle, his flagship and 4 frigates being captured and towed into Lough, Swilly. Among the prisoners seized on board the flagship was Theobald Wolfe Tone, leader of the United Irishmen, whose capture and subsequent death signified the end of the rebellion. Over the next week, the scattered French survivors desperately attempted to reach the safety of French harbours in the face of dozens of British warships cruising along their homeward route. Only 3 made it, 3 others being hunted down and captured, one just a few miles from the entrance to Brest. The French never again attempted an invasion of Ireland. Action of 12 October 1798. Action of 13 October 1798. Flight of Lough, 15 to 18 October 1798. Action of 20 October 1798. Savary's Retreat, 28 to 30 October 1798.